Have you ever wondered what the IBDP Language and Literature course entails? Well, it's a comprehensive program designed to hone your language skills, literary analysis, and critical thinking capabilities. It delves into the fascinating interplay between language and literature, exploring how language shapes our understanding of the world. From studying a diverse range of literary and non-literary texts to the development of key skills, it's a journey that's as comprehensive as it is engaging. So that's an overall glimpse of what the course offers. Now let's dive deeper. The course is divided into 5 compelling parts. First off, we have language and cultural context, which delves into how culture and society influence language. Up next is language and mass communication, a segment that explores the impact of media and technology on language. The third part, literature, texts, and contexts, introduces students to various literary works, fostering an understanding of how diverse contexts shape literature. The fourth component, literature, critical study, sharpens students' ability to critically analyze and interpret literary texts. Finally, literature, textual analysis, hones in on close reading and analytical skills, encouraging students to delve deep into the nuances of a text. Throughout these segments, an array of literary and non-literary texts are studied, from classic novels to contemporary media pieces. These diverse resources offer invaluable perspectives on the power and intricacy of language and literature. Each component of the course adds a unique dimension to our understanding of language and literature. Now, how is all this assessed, and what key skills do you develop? Well, the IBDP Language and Literature course engages students through a mix of internal and external assessments. Internal assessments include written tasks, oral presentations, and individual and group projects. As for external assessments, they consist of written examinations administered by the International Baccalaureate organization. So, what key skills are you polishing through this course? Firstly, literary analysis, where you'll identify themes, characters, and literary techniques in a variety of texts. Secondly, language analysis, which hones your ability to scrutinize structure, style, and tone of non-literary texts. Critical thinking is another essential skill, enabling you to evaluate and interpret texts from multiple perspectives. Lastly, communication skills are developed, ensuring you can express ideas and arguments effectively, both orally and in writing. Through these assessments, you'll demonstrate your understanding and application of these key concepts and skills. The course includes a list of prescribed texts that are as diverse as they are thought-provoking. From F. Scott Fitzgerald's The Great Gatsby to Marjane Satrapi's Persepolis, these works span various genres and eras. These texts facilitate the exploration of key themes and concepts in the course. In summary, the IBDP Language and Literature course offers a rich and challenging learning experience. It's a journey through a structured curriculum, rigorous assessments, key skills development, and diverse prescribed texts. With this insight, you are now better equipped to embark on or guide others on this academic journey. Thank you for joining me today.